Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. Does your air conditioner seem to be losing its cooling power? A faulty compressor might be the issue, but don't worry. Replacing it yourself is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through the process step by step. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can save time and money by tackling this repair on your own. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: wrenches, screwdrivers, a multimeter, safety gloves, and goggles. Before anything else, ensure the power to your AC unit is completely turned off to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, locate the compressor in the outdoor unit. Take a moment to label or photograph the wiring connections. This simple step will save you trouble when it's time to reconnect everything. Carefully disconnect the electrical wires and refrigerant lines from the old compressor. Use a wrench to loosen the mounting bolts and lift the compressor out of the unit. Once removed, place the new compressor in the same position and secure it with the bolts. Reconnect the wires and refrigerant lines exactly as they were before, ensuring each connection is tight and secure. To prepare the system for operation, use a vacuum pump to remove air and moisture. Then refill the system with the recommended amount of refrigerant. This step ensures optimal performance. Once everything is set, restore power to the AC unit and test the system. If cool air flows smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your air conditioner compressor.